Mary Kay opportunity for me was a life-changer experience, and I believe it is still today. I've been building my business the last 36 years. We made our legacy with the Latino market. We work consistent with integrity and loyalty. What kept me going along the way was the Mary Kay values and principles. I have been believe in them and practice them every day in my business. Go give spirit, give without expecting in return. The golden rule service, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Make me feel important. Mary Kay knew everyone wanted to feel special. Priorities, faith first, family second, career third. Respecting the environment and being socialized responsible. I have been in this business 36 years, and I have been ordering products and opening boxes since I'm 16 years old. It makes over 1,400 boxes, give and take a couple of hundred. And every box I opened, it was always exciting, always gave me hope. This year, we are celebrating Mary Kay's 60th anniversary. That means 6 decades. 6 decades full of hard work, dedication, great teamwork, and so much more.